Welcome back to another walk around and test drive video here at Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a 1965 Mustang Coupe. Just a nice solid driver quality car. Great entry-level classic.
Yeah, really highly optioned as well. As we go up and down the sides, nice straight car done in a poppy red. Some old school Cragar SS's on it.
It's got air.
It's got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, headers, GT dual exhaust, drum brakes up front. It's got the nice GT trumpet exhaust. Sorry about the wind today, but we have like 6 videos to do, so we're going to be doing them in the wind a little bit. This is a factory C code car. It does have a 4-barrel on it now. It's a good run and driving car.
Inner fender's very solid. It's a bad spot on Mustangs typically, but this one looks solid, looks patch free on the inner fenders.
Yeah, that's great to point out. It's got a little boil here, but like you said, no patches. Bottom of the hood's painted. Inside the trunk's all painted red as well. And talk about the paint. The paint's probably about 30 years old. We tried to buff it out. It's really kind of dead.
Yeah, it just doesn't have the shine there yet, but it's a great, 5-footer.
A little tight on the front gap here. But the back of the hood lines up nice to the top of the cowl. Bottom of the front fenders, rocker, doors, lower quarter panel, lower rocker, all rust free, no bubbles or blisters. And that's what I like seeing, Dalton. This is an older paint. Like I said, it's so old it doesn't buff out, probably 30 years old, and there's still not a single bubble anywhere down low. And look how that door fits, and the whole body is super straight on this passenger side.
I kind of like that tan vinyl top. I really haven't seen too many of those. Pretty neat.
Is that still have the door information? We'll have to look and see if that's original on this car. It does. I wouldn't be surprised because it's got the Palomino interior, and it does have, it's not a GT car, but it's got the GT exhaust, and it also has the deluxe interior. So all the lights work in the deluxe interior door panels. Also has the pony, the wood grain, air conditioning console, a factory dealer add-on air. It's got the wood grain wheel. I mean, really cool car. It's got 30,000 miles, 275 on the odometer. Judging by the solidness of the car, I'm guessing it's 130 and no more than that. Inside the door jamb paint, still nice and shiny. Looks like just a little bit of, prior work done in that lower fender on the inside. Bottom corner of the door is perfect. Door panels are good. Rubber's got a little bit of overspray on them from the inside detailing. All in all, it really looks like original interior. You can see some rips on the driver's side over there, and just some wear. But no rips on the passenger seat that I can see. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, there you're going to see the undercarriage, and it's super solid underneath. Wheel well is excellent. Back behind the rear wheel is excellent as well. No bubbles or blisters. Same thing up here. I mean, it's just hard to find a Mustang that isn't blistered in the doors, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Back part of the door lines up perfect right here.
Cragar SS wheels give it a good look too. Nice stance.
Yeah, besides the hood gap in the front, all the rest of the gaps are awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. Really good little car. Like you pointed out right away, a lot of nice options, especially that air conditioning.
It's a ton of options for 1965. There's your trim, 22. F is the color. Axle, 6. Tram, 6. Inside the door jamb paint really shines up nice. Starts easy as well. As far as the top of the dash, that's in great shape as well. Headliner is super nice. Look how clean the visors and stuff are.
Yeah,
headliner's nice and tight, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Console, the little indicator lights still work.
Did you already look at the radio?
Nope, it works.
Find a station. Look at that.
AC works as well.
If it's charged, but it definitely would work. Everything's there.
Yep. Belt's all on it. You can see it's kicking in too, look. Temperature gauge works, oil pressure is right in the middle to high side at an idle. Gas gauge works, horn works. We don't get
about everything works on this car.
Yeah, that's what makes this such a cool little car. You know, it's something to jump in it and enjoy it, and you can always put a new paint job on if you want. But as far as, you know, 5 foot, it looks great.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just a nice driver, nice entry-level classic car.
So many of these dash pads are always warped on these things. This is in great condition.
Dave's driving the Camaro.
Yeah, he's in love with that 69 RSS, I'm sure. Transmission shift's good. Got drum brakes on it. They don't pull left or right. They stop nice and straight, and we do have power brakes, which is nice. I'm really overly impressed by this car.
I am too.
You know, you look at the exterior paint with just a little fade and stuff to it, and you think, well, geez, mechanically it's probably not going to be that great.
But really, mechanically, it's pretty awesome.
Heater even works.
Everything works.
Every single thing works on the car. Said the park indicator light works good as well. I forgot to start off in the green dot. Transmission kickdown works perfect as well.
Awesome.
Look how this thing goes down the road. I'm really impressed. This should be a fast-selling little red Mustang.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially in this price range, not a lot of those cars are this mechanically sound where everything works, especially with air. I mean, it's the car kind of sells itself. But
yeah, it goes down the road fantastic. Speedometer works perfectly. It's nice and accurate, going 60 mile an hour right now.
And no shakes, shimmies, no rear end noise out of here. It's a good little car.
One thing I do have to point out just a little bit is we have a little bit of a warped drum. It doesn't pull left or right, but when we apply the brakes, we got a little shake, and we're going to take care of that. So definitely a drum needs to be turned.
So we'll take care of that. But check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Really nice little 65 coupe.